What if I tell you that you can create a clone of anyone, face, voice, and even lip sync using AI? Today, I'm going to show you step by step how I created a Cristiano Ronaldo clone using ChatGPT and free AI tools. First, we create the face clone. I use ChatGPT to generate the face. You can also create it in Nano Banana. The choice is yours, but I prefer ChatGPT. In ChatGPT, you can upload an image to create your own clone. But in this video, I generate Cristiano Ronaldo's image using a detailed prompt. After a few seconds, the AI-generated image is ready. Now let's move to voice cloning. For voice clone, I use Hailuo AI, and yes, it's free. If you want to create your own voice clone, you can record your voice. But for this example, I use a Cristiano Ronaldo voiceover sample. Open Hailuo AI, go to the audio section, and log in using Minimax. Now click on the clone option, upload the voice sample or record directly, add the required details, and wait for the voice to be cloned. Once the voice clone is ready, it's time for lip sync. You can use tools like Hydra AI or Magic Hour, but in my experience, the best results come from Hygiene AI. Upload the generated image, add the cloned voice audio, and let the AI sync the lips automatically. And here is the final result, a complete AI clone with face, voice, and realistic lip sync.
Cristiano Ronaldo is a global football icon known for his relentless work ethic, elite athleticism, and
This technology is powerful for content creation, storytelling, and marketing. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe. And comment below if you want the exact prompts and full tutorial. Thanks for watching.